Shivkumar, GM Finance. I have been working with Narendra sir since early years of the Vinays Innovative Technologies Limited.
I am Srinivasan. I am also one of the director of Vinays.
I have to say one thing about Narendra sir is it would be his consistency and grounded nature.
My association with Narendra sir is almost 35 years and above, and he is a very good leader, and he is a very good motivator.
I'm Yashwant. I'm working as the General Manager HR at Vinays Innovative Technologies. I've been associated with Narendra sir from the past 18 years.
I'm Raju. I'm taking care of production at Vinays Innovative Technology, Mysuru. I'm working as a Senior Vice President. I have known Narendra sir for more than 30 years.
Sir is truly inspirational guide and also the mentor for us. We have learned so many things from him, and more than anything, he is a very good human being.
He always stays calm and focused even in challenging times.
I feel very happy and proud seeing him to achieve this milestone.
He deserves to be receiving this award. We are really happy for it, and we congratulate him, and we pray God for his good health.
I feel very happy and proud to see him receiving this award.
On behalf of Vinays Innovative Technologies and entire our employees, staffs and everything, congratulations and best wishes to Narendra sir.
What a journey. Wow. I call on stage the TiE board to escort Mr. Narendra and Mrs. Narendra to the stage and to confer him with the TiE Mysuru Lifetime Achievement Award.
I'll read out the citation that we are going to be presenting now. Mr. Narendra Narayanan, Lifetime Achievement Award. On behalf of the entire entrepreneurial community of Mysuru, we, the members of the board of TiE Mysuru, take immense pride and pleasure in conferring upon you the Lifetime Achievement Award at TiECon Mysuru 2026. A leader of rare vision and a quiet grace, you have devoted your life to the advancement of entrepreneurship and industry. Through Vinays Innovative Technologies Limited, founded in 2001, you have built not merely a company, but a globally respected institution, culminating in its landmark NSE listing in 2023, a journey that stands as a testament to your perseverance, innovation, and excellence. As you mark 25 years of this extraordinary achievement, it's not only the scale of your accomplishments that commands admiration, but the depth of the purpose and values that underpin them. Long before the world recognized the promise of electronic systems design and manufacturing, you foresaw its transformative potential. True to the spirit of Vinyasa, the art of thoughtful creation, you shaped an enterprise grounded in design excellence and engineering innovation. Today, that foresight stands both visionary and exemplary. Revered as the father of EMS in India, your influence transcends business success. You have nurtured a culture of openness, integrity, and inclusivity, creating opportunities for the differently abled and championing a workplace defined by dignity and purpose, earning the highest national recognition, including the Best Employment Award from the Government of India. You have also brought a profound human dimension to leadership, fostering inner well being and harmony in the workplace through practices such as Om chanting, instilling clarity, balance, and unity among those that you lead. A distinguished engineer from the University of Southern California and a respected global thought leader, you continue to contribute to industry and academia, including your role on the advisory board of the USC Viterbi School of Engineering. Mr. Narendra Narayanan, your life's work is a beacon of vision, resilience, and compassion. You have not only built an enterprise, you have developed people, built institutions, and a legacy that will inspire generations to come. This Lifetime Achievement Award is presented on this 18th day of April 2026.
Humbly accept this award with humility and dedicate it to the city of Mysuru, which has got us all this. Thank you very much. Shabarishan just briefed me. I was trying to put together my thoughts about Mysuru. Let me add that whatever Shabarishan said also together. We have at Vinyas, we are an inclusive environment. The environment has hearing impaired working with us, 40 of them, and mentally challenged about 8 of them. We do a very positive reinforcement by continuously synchronizing the human brain in the workforce of the organization by chanting Om every 90 minutes for 3 minutes, which synchronizes all the employees together working in the organization. Having said all this, these were some of the things that I had not thought about saying tonight. But there are some very interesting facts that I want to share. India had the electronic city in 1981 when our neighbors were thinking of learning the spelling of electronics. In 1987-88, the EMS industry in India was started. The same time, we should remember that this Southern California, at Silicon Valley also the industry, Silicon Valley also started electronic manufacturing at the same time. Today, in the city of Mysuru, we have 3 electronic manufacturing, system design and manufacturing companies which are listed in the National Stock Exchange. Plus also they have a world-class infrastructure which is equivalent to any infrastructure available anywhere in the world. A workforce with international certification. International certification are more in a 20-kilometer radius compared to any part of the globe. We have our workforce very fluent in the standards for which we had to put in a lot of effort translating the standards into Kinglish, which is combination of English and Kannada. So the entire documentation, the SOPs and the standards are translated to usable language within the organization. That has also helped gain this advantage. People would always wonder how the electronic industry community of Mysore would go together to exhibitions, pitch to customers differently, making sure the environment used to talk to each other. But everybody was wondering how competitors are talking to each other. The very unique behavior of the city of Mysore is, why city of Mysore? The whole electronic manufacturing services ecosystem has their own customer base, which is very difficult to change. So the competition would not much worry about in the ecosystem. Having said all this, I once again thank the entire TiE Mysuru. I am honored to be present here. Thank you very much.